How to design Beehiiv newsletter. In this video, I'll show you how to design Beehiiv newsletter. So to get started, go ahead and open Beehiiv and then sign into your account. And then click on this post button at the left side of your screen. And then on the post page, click on the start writing button. Now in here, you can go ahead and select a template that you want to use for your newsletter post on your Beehiiv account. So simply click on that template that you want to use. You can also use the blank template to start from scratch. Now, if you're using a template, you can go ahead and click on the areas that you want to modify and then change it. You can also change the font style, font size, along with the photos on this page. So on your newsletter, you'll need headers, text blocks, images, buttons, and dividers if you actually don't use the template. Now, you need to design it for visual appeal. So you need to choose fonts and colors that match your branding. Use bold headings and white space to improve readability, and add images or GIFs to break up text and add personality. So once you're done with this, you can go ahead and preview this on a new tab. You can also click on this next button to proceed on publishing and previewing your newsletter. And that is how you can basically design Beehiiv newsletter. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.